Hi guys, see you after a long time because I have a busy time, job and other some very busy activities, so I don't have time to make a videos. So today, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm share with you outdoor cooking with the Dutch oven. Dutch oven, I cooking some beef, so I bring all the things here and later share with you guys. I hope you will enjoy. So how I cook today, I cook the beef with bone. It's more delicious, and especially when you cook in the Dutch oven, and with two tomatoes and the onion, three green chili and three small red chili, and ginger, garlic and spices, red chili and some other spices is mixed already. I mix from home, and then especially salt. So first of all, I cut all these things and put in and show you guys how to mix. And then after, I make a fire with charcoals, and I show you how share with you guys how I do, and then I hope you will enjoy. So I cut all the onion, tomatoes, garlic, ginger and green and red chili together like this, and then I put all the beef in the Dutch oven. So now I show you guys how I mix it. You see all the things. First, I put some oil. You can put on or down here. It's up to you, use what oil, or maybe you can use butter, no problem. It's enough, no need to more. Okay, after that I put ginger it down, and then onion, all the side you can see, put all sides. Maybe I can do like this, all the sides like this. Mix it all side, and then you can put the green chili all over, garlic, and then tomatoes on the top. Later it will mix all and very nice. After cook, I will show you guys. It's very delicious. I try many times from 1 decade, but I never make a video before because I never upload any video, so I don't make it all like this. And then after, how many chili and all spices you using, you measure first, because I already measure, so I need to put like this all over, not on the one place, all over like this. And then I add some water. It's up to you. So like this. Yes, I think enough. No need to, because after it will cook, they have own water. So I have this. Now my Dutch oven is ready. This is ready now. So I make fire first, and then I put this one on the fire, on the charcoals, and some charcoals I put on there and leave for 1.5 hours or maybe 2 hours, up to you how much beef you cooking or what size the Dutch oven you using. So it's depend on the time, how much you cooking there, and the size of Dutch oven, and depend on the weather. If you cooking in the cold weather, maybe take long time, but like this Now it's 30 something degrees, so maybe it's very fast to cooking. So let me make a fire first, and let me, after that I show you guys. Make fire first. I make fire first. It's not easy to make fire today because last week is heavy rain and a storm, so everything is wet here. It will take time to make a fire. Okay, the charcoal is ready, so I take out some of them, put on the top, the good burning one, and these some, and then wow, it's very hot. Wow, because the weather is hot, the charcoal is also very hot. This one is not ready. Wow, it's very hot. Okay, now the place is ready, so I put the Dutch oven like this and put them in a nice place. I think it's okay. Maybe put in this side is, oh, it's okay. So put all the burning charcoals on the top. Oh, before the putting, I show you guys, it's not ready yet, you see. So I put like this. Maybe I think it's like this is okay. And then I put all the charcoals here. You can see, guys. So if you think is not, the charcoal is not enough, so maybe you put some new charcoals around there, but it's depend on if you need. I think it's enough. So I just leave it for half hour to 45 minutes, and after I will check, and then I put again if I need more, maybe hour or half an hour, so it will be cooked, and then I share you with you guys. This beef is very delicious. So this is not my first time. More than 1 decade I'm cooking like this, but mostly I cook in the winter, but this time I try in summer, so I share you with you guys, and then I hope you will like this video and enjoy. And let me cook first, and then I share with you all and show you how it look like and it's delicious or not. I start cooking bread because the beef will take times, and I put some in aluminum foil, some potatoes and sweet potatoes aside of the Dutch oven, and the beef is, you can see the beef is still processing, and now I cooking the bread. Wow, it's very hot. It's take time, so I make ready first and then show you guys how it look like after ready. Okay, let me check how it look like. Oh yeah, it's ready. It's nice. Oh, let me check how I done the bread. Wow, it's very difficult. Wow, it's cooked very nice. Wow, it smells good, you know. Now it's ready. The beef is ready. Oh, let's see the bread on charcoal. It's very nice, but it's not easy to cook. you see. Wow, it's very nice, you know. I make salad because I already cooked the beef and the bread. So today in salad I have a tomato, cucumber, onion and carrot. Four things I make ready and then share with you guys. Oh, the salad is ready. Look at it, look nice, huh? This is beef with bread, the bread cooked on the charcoals, and then salad. And I am going to start eating in this place. It's very nice weather, and I'm going to start my lunch now. It's already late, it's 1:30 now, but it's take long time to cook the beef. Okay, let me try. This is beef. Wow, it's nice. Cook and look yummy. A little bit with the sausage. Very nice. Let me try. Especially the lemon tea. It's so yummy. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you will guys like my video and the way cooking beef in the Dutch oven. See you in the next video.